Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and I'll show you how to link the Google Assistant to the power button on this device. So first, right now I'll show you, as can you see, this function just is deactivated. And now I'll show you how you can link the Google Assistant from your power button. Just go to the settings application. Here tap to the additional settings and go to the gesture shortcuts. Now just tap here to the launch Google Assistant and just once tap on this switcher, and now you'll just press and hold your power button for a half second. You can launch our Google Assistant. So that's really well. And just to turn it off, tap again on the switcher, and as can you see, we just disable this function. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.